All right, so what we got here is we come back over here. We got us a couple more pieces of rebar. Well, I can't use it there. I got to take that off. Put my hat on my helmet. We got us a couple more pieces of rebar, and we're going to just tie all this stuff together a little bit better. Well, I ain't gonna say a little bit better. We're just gonna put a little bit more stuff in there to grab in that concrete and help hold it. We ain't doing no measuring with nothing. We're just jamming mess anywhere we can get it, just to make a little kind of like an anchor, like a boat got an anchor. They drop it and it drags the ocean and holds that boat. Then we're just making an anchor to drop down in that concrete. That's gonna grab in that concrete and hold that pole from moving. So it ain't nothing special. It ain't no kind of measurements. It's just throwing mess together any kind of way. So any way we can make it stronger, that's what I'm gonna do. That chain, that was just old chain that was laying around. So we're just tying them together. We'll tie them all together. Come here, run us a little piece on here. Just cut that. push this into there. Where's that piece just fell? Where's the piece that just fell? That little piece, that all that was left? That ain't the little piece that just fell, is it? Is it? Amen. All right, so all right, this is that should be enough to hold it down in there. I don't see it going anywhere. Uh, All right, so I don't see that going nowhere once it gets locked into that concrete. It ain't gonna move. All right, so we got it all tied in together. So what we need to do now is we need to take these two pieces right here, and I need to have it wherever my back's going to be. I need to have it where I can just make me a lip and set me a board on there where to hold it where I want it to hold until it gets hard in that concrete. So probably, let's see, I need me a tape measure. Right there, that's going to come back towards the back. So I already know because I got my slots here, and when I flip it over, I should have some slots on the other side. So right here, I got 1 3/4 inches, and I'm going to lay a 2x4 on the top of that concrete. Once it gets hard, I'm going to lay a 2x4 across there. And I need a 2 straight 2x4s, about 4 foot. All right, so I got me 2x4s about 4 foot. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna swing this around. Yeah, swing it around right here. This right here is gonna be my front side, my back side here. So that's gonna be flush with the concrete right there. What I need is I need this tacked on there just like that. I want that to be flush, but I don't want to have to do a whole lot of work to grind it back off when I get ready to take it off. I just want to barely just tack it on there. And all this is for is just to hold the plate up exactly where I want it at. So I want this plate here to be on flush with the top of the concrete. So what we're gonna do is like so. We want that up. We don't want it under it. So if I put it there, I just want to tack weld this because this is a temporary piece. I'm going to take it back off. Yeah. And we just wanted enough just to hold it. All right, so that there is a little bit more than what my 2x4 is. So if I was to put it on there like that, it's going to hold it up out of the concrete more than I want it. So it looks like I'm about a good 1/4 inch I'm a good 1/4 inch low. So what I need is 2 little pieces of metal, 1/4 inch. I mean, I got something. I'm trying to find something I ain't got to cut. So we'll just take it and cut us a little piece off of this angle. We'll cut us 2 pieces. All right, we just need to cut one more for the other side, and that should do what we need. We'll throw this hat on right quick. I ain't wanting to be welding with no sunglasses and come up tonight and I can't see. All right, so that should be about the width of a 2x4 now. And it won't take much to hold that thing up. Once it's down in that concrete, I just don't want I don't want to be there trying to hold it and it twisting one way or another. I want to set it up there, let it hold, and go on about my business. So that there should hold it about where I want it. Yeah. I'm not really worried about the bottom as far as getting no paint or nothing on it, but go grab me that tape out of there. Let me tape up them bolts right quick. Tape around the threads on the bolts here so we don't get no concrete spatter and mess that we got to worry about coming back and cleaning out. Raggedy tape. It's $6 for that raggedy mess. Yes. The mess load cell. I just grabbed it while I was in there. Junk is house tape. Tape up sheetrock with. It ain't really meant for cars. Like a house type tape. I ain't gonna weld nothing up there. I don't want nothing to hold me up. Let's weld it good enough from the bottom. We're not worried about that coming loose. We got it welded on both sides. On the inside, we just ain't got nothing up here on the top. We don't want to weld nothing up here to cause no problem. So what I need to do now is just check it and see if these things here are square. Because if they're sitting at an angle, they'll pull it back. Where's that little triangle square at? just want to kind of get an idea if that there is halfway square. It looks like it's halfway square. That one there could go out just a little bit. Pretty square. All right, so we're ready to go down here and mix up some cement, some bags. We'll have to mix it up in bags. Now I'm gonna let my camera lady do the mixing while I watch this time. So y'all, let's roll down here and mix some concrete.